a rectangular lamina of size 20 into 30 mm resting on HP. It is resting on horizontal plane on one of its longer edge. 20 into 30 is there. It is resting on one of its 30 mm edge. That is longer edge. The lamina is fitted about the edges on which it rests inclined to HP at 45 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined 30 degree to VP. The resting edge is inclined 30 degree to VP. So now we'll construct a rectangular lamina of 30 mm side. So you should mark 30 mm on two vertical lines and you should construct a 30 mm side lamina. And then cut the distance by 20 mm. Now it is 30 millimeter we have constructed. So that is 30 mm. So this is 30 millimeter. Then divide this length by 20. Take 20 mm distance because 30 into 20 is there and it is resting on one of its longer edge. So cut the distance by 20 mm on either side. So we get 20 by 30. So this is the darkened part is 20 by 30 rectangular lamina which is resting on one of its longer edge. This is the shorter edge. Now we'll draw the projectors. So this is A, B, C, D. Then these are the arrow marks. How these projectors will be moving from one side to another side. Now, when you are weaving from this side, B is visible. So B dash is outside, A is not visible, A dash is inside. When you are weaving from this side once again, C is visible. So C dash outside, D is not visible, D dash is outside the bracket. Then this lamina is inclined. When it is resting on HP, you should consider HP angle at the beginning. So it is inclined to HP at 45 degree. So take 45 degree, I will mark here and then we'll take 45 degree from that point. Join these two points with thin lines. And this point is nothing but B dash, A dash. Take the distance from B dash, A dash to C dash, D dash. So this distance you have to take, that is nothing but 20 millimeter, and put at B dash, A dash, cut the 45 degree line by C dash, D dash distance. This is 45 degree. Now draw the projectors. Join these two points with a dark line because that is the lamina. Now we'll draw the projectors from these points. from B dash C dash, that is B dash C dash, then from C dash D dash. Then from this point we'll taking B and A as reference. And A is intersecting at this point, A. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and give the arrow marks for projectors. Right. Next, mark dark only A, B, C, D. Now, second position, the lamina is inclined 45 degree to HP. Now third position, the resting edge. This edge is inclined 30 degree to VP. So this edge, so we'll take this side 30 degree. From that point we'll take 30 degree. When it is inclined to VP, we should consider in HP. We'll draw a line. With thin line I will draw, and this inclination is 30 degree. And then we'll mark A point, because this resting edge is inclined 30 degree. It is given in the problem. The edge on which it rests is inclined 30 degree to VP. This is the edge which is resting, and this edge is inclined 30 degree. So I have marked A point and will take the distance of A to B. That is nothing but 30 millimeter. Then cut the distance by B, and then take BC distance or you can take 90 degree, that is also correct. So BC distance and AC distance are same, AD distance are same. So this distance is same, so taken from A and B, and then take distance from opposite, that is diagonal corners, from B to D. So this distance and A to C distance both are same, so we'll take from A and we'll cut this arc, and from B cut the arc, then join all the points. So this is B point, this is C point, this is D point. Now we'll join these points. So we got the same rectangle at this position. Now we'll draw projectors, because the resting edge is inclined 30 degree with VP. So this as reference, we'll draw projectors. From CD I will draw projectors. Already A has been drawn, and we'll give the arrow mark for these. And then draw projector from B. from B point till it intersect B. B is on XY line. Then we'll move on to C. So C, this point. Then we'll move on to A. So A is on XY line. Then D. So D is on this point. Now give the arrow marks. Then join A. So this is B. B is here. That is B dash. Then A is here. A dash. C. C dash. D. Both are joining here and intersecting at that point. That is D dash. Now join A, B, C, D. So A to D. C to B. Then D to C with dark line, A to B with dark line.